Trying new essential oils to support your wellness is so much fun, and I have a new essential oil for you to try, Lemon Myrtle. This essential oil isn't super popular, but once you try it, you are gonna love it. Hi, I'm Katie from Simply Earth. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you about Lemon Myrtle Essential Oil. I'll talk about its uses, how it works, and make sure you know how to use it safely. So let's talk about how to use Lemon Myrtle Essential Oil. You can use it to boost your immunity by putting it in a diffuser or making a roll-on with it. You can use it to support respiration, which is a great way to use with a diffuser, or you can make a mini steam recipe where you get a bowl of hot water, put 1 drop of lemon myrtle, breathe in deep, and boom, respiration joy. You can also use this oil to clean. Try it with our Simply Earth cleaning tablets to make a simple, wonderful smelling DIY cleaner. You can also use this oil for clear, radiant skin. This essential oil has natural cleansing properties that can work wonders with your skin. Lemon myrtle can also be used to aid digestion. A great way to use this benefit is to make a roll-on. Adding 6 drops to a 10 milliliter roll-on and filling it the rest of the way with carrier oil, apply it to your pulse points, and boom, digestion. The last way to use lemon myrtle is for its calming properties. A great way to use it is in the diffuser after a long day to help you relax. Its aroma is very calming and can support rest. So let's talk about how lemon myrtle works. Essential oils are made of naturally occurring chemicals that a plant creates. Lemon myrtle is largely made up of citral and limonene. These 2 naturally occurring chemicals give the oil its aroma and its uses. You can learn more about these naturally occurring chemicals in our blog post. So let's make sure you know how to use this oil safely. This oil is generally non-irritating when you dilute it and then put it on your skin. Whenever you're using an essential oil on the skin, make sure you dilute it with a carrier oil like almond oil or fractionated coconut oil to use it safely. This oil is safe to use with kids 10 and up. Cats may find this oil irritating, but dogs will generally be safe around it. Whenever you're using an essential oil around a pet, make sure to leave the door open so your pet can leave if the aroma or oil bothers them. If you're ready for a sweet, uplifting oil, try lemon myrtle. You'll love its cleansing properties, its calming properties, and more. To learn more about essential oils, subscribe to these videos.